All right, we got some sizzling hot cobalt blue high heel ankle height sandals. These are very sexy, I must say. Now, if you want these, you need to visit the website immediately while we still have them in stock. Now, you can see right here, you don't need a sales certificate. You can just go over there. You can make your purchase. You don't need an EIN. You don't need a sales tax certificate. So that takes that out of the way. Your price is $124, and this is a lot that comes in 12. It's 12 pieces to this lot. Let's see. Its size is 5.5 through 10. You get 12 boxes, well, 12 pair. And so let's see. Let's do the math. 124.91 divided by 12. You're gonna get, it's $10.40 a piece. Okay, so you can seriously make some money if you're selling on Poshmark or Mercari, or if you want to use Instagram, Pinterest, however you want to, whatever method you want to use, we have you covered. Okay, now you can see 1040, and you can see that these are going anywhere from between 40 to 100 and 80, whatever that is. But those are just different brands, different styles. But I'm just showing you that you can definitely make some money with this. Okay. Now, if you need to call us, our phone number is on the website. We're not like those YouTubers that hide and we don't have a website. We've been on YouTube for years now. So what I want you to do is I want you to smash that like button. I want you to subscribe, because we're going to be coming out with videos every day. And we're going to be coming out with some other new material and some new products. We're going to have some stuff that, like I said in the other videos, they won't be wholesale, but they'll be name brand that you can get at reduced prices. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, so that way you'll get notified every time we get something new in. Thank you, and I'm out.